Aweh Millionaire. Welcome to another high impact news analysis. And today's high impact news analysis is Australian dollar to USD, AUD to USD high impact news. And specifically what we had this morning was we had AUD Australian dollar high impact news that was released at 2:30 this morning, 2:30 a.m. I wasn't awake at that time, but I still want to record this video just to show you how, as a smart trader, you can identify easy trading opportunities with the power of supply and demand, forex volume, and the assistance of high impact news. So we had Aussie dollar high impact news this morning, and there was a very easy trade if you were awake at that time to capitalize off, and that's what I want to talk about. So if you want to know how to become a more consistent and profitable trader and learn the advanced professional tips of how to do so, then start now by subscribing and clicking that bell so that you don't miss out on anything. But let's crack straight into the AUD to USD high impact news analysis. Let's get into it.
Batman, Batman, Batman. Batman, Batman.
I mean, same old story. It is what it is. Step number one is to identify the supply and demand levels. You can see where the smart money is at, where the smart money is trading at. And for this specific trade, I'm just going to focus on the supply level because that's exactly what set up the trade. So we identify the supply level, boom, as always. And always when we identify these supply and demand levels, you always want to be super specific because you want to see exactly where the smart money is at, because we trade with the smart money, not with the dumb money. So with this trade over here, or with this analysis, there were two supply levels that were tested before the high impact news were released. And here is the other supply level right over here. And let's go down to the 15-minute chart to identify exactly where the specific supply level is. And as you can see, boom, that's where it was. Bang, right over there. So nice and simple, identify where the smart money is, using forex volume to do so. And I've done a free video training on how you can identify your supply and demand levels and identify where the smart money is in 4 easy steps. Click the link in the description to get your hands on that free video. But back to the analysis. So we know exactly where the smart money is, and secondly, we also know exactly where the dumb money is, because as you can see, right before the high impact news was released, we can see that price went up to go and test the supply level, as you can see over there. So we already know where the dumb money is and what the dumb money is thinking. And again, if you know what the dumb money is thinking, you know where the dumb money is, all you simply need to do is the opposite. So already we know price is testing the supply level just before the news. So already that was an indicator, and this was an indicator for us to look for selling opportunities. And again, you can see here just before the news how price tested both the supply levels, as you can see over there. Now again, because we're looking to sell here, because price is testing the supply level just before the news, again, for your entry and your stop loss, we look at the most recent fractal high and the most recent fractal low. So most recent fractal high, which is boom right over there, this fractal high over there, let me change the color so you can see specifically what I'm talking about. So boom, this fractal high was where you would put your stop loss, and this fractal low over here, again, the most recent fractal high and the most recent fractal low. So the most recent fractal low and I'll change the color again, is where you would have put your entry for the sell on this specific trade. And as we can see, when the news was released, okay, what happened? Boom, in one swift move, okay, we can already see what happened. Price shifted off the supply level, okay, with perfection. And when I say with perfection, I mean it's in one move with high volume. Okay, so again, an in and out kind of a trade where you collect those pips in a couple of minutes. And also what's interesting, as you can see, like I said, it shifted off the supply level with high volume. So already we know this is a important level over there. And as you can see, what happened as price went back to test that level, shot back down, went back, shot back down again. So you know what it is, supply and demand. So this was a very simple trade, AUD to USD, Australian dollar to US dollar. Very easy sell opportunity if you were awake at that time. But this is the power of high impact news, supply and demand, and forex volume. If you've enjoyed this video, feel free to take a screenshot and share it on Instagram and tag me on Instagram. Let me know what you learned. But I'll see you guys in the next high impact news analysis. It is what it is. I'm out.
Batman, Batman, Batman.